Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. In today's tutorial we will explain how to remove an admin from your channel on Telegram. Let's get started and see how can we do that. First, tap on Telegram app icon. After that, press on your channel. Tap on this icon. Click on Administrators. Press on three dots which shown beside admin which you want to remove from the channel. Let's press here. After that, press on Dismiss Admin. Now you already remove this admin from your channel. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to remove an admin from your channel on Telegram. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.